Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Some days you're dealing with a system full of hidden data. You know it's there, but no one can tell you what it really means, which fields matter, or how everything ties together. And that's where delivery breaks down, because unclear data leads to unclear decisions. Data modeling steps in to create one shared understanding. So decisions aren't based on assumptions, but on a clear structure of how information actually works in the real world. Data modeling is a visual technique for defining, organizing, and structuring information in a system. Today, we're exploring data modeling, a technique that creates a shared understanding of what data exists, how it's defined, and how it connects across processes, teams, and systems. Let's see it in action. Why does this matter? Data modeling creates a shared source of truth, so everyone works from the same definitions instead of conflicting terminology. It improves solution accuracy because you're designing based on clearly defined data, not assumptions. And it supports smoother system integration. When you understand how data relates, it becomes far easier to connect different platforms without mismatches or gaps. Why does data modeling work so effectively? It brings clarity to information that's often scattered across documents, systems, and teams. It removes ambiguity early. Unclear definitions get caught before they create downstream issues in development or testing. And it supports stronger decision-making because stakeholders can see the real structure of their data instead of guessing how it behaves. When is data modeling the right technique? It's perfect when you're dealing with complex data requirements. Visualizing the structure helps everyone stay aligned. When multiple systems need to connect, a model ensures they're speaking the same data language. It's essential in integration or migration projects, where accurate data mapping is critical. And it's invaluable for clarifying stakeholder assumptions, turning vague ideas into concrete shared definitions. It's especially useful when different teams use different terminology, because modeling unifies those variations into a single, consistent view. It's ideal when integrating new or upgraded systems, since you need to know exactly how data connects across platforms. And it's crucial when requirements rely heavily on data, because clarity upfront prevents expensive changes later. How do you actually apply data modeling? Here's the step-by-step approach. Start by identifying the key data entities, the core objects the system cares about. Next, define their attributes, making sure they're meaningful, non-duplicated, and clearly named. Then map the relationships between entities. This is where you model one-to-many or many-to-many connections. Finally, validate the model with stakeholders to confirm accuracy, challenge assumptions, and ensure alignment before moving into solution design. Let's walk through a concrete example using a banking app. We start by identifying the key entities. Customer stores the customer's unique ID, name, and email address. Account represents the customer's bank accounts with attributes like account number, account type, and balance. Transaction records all financial activity, including transaction date and amount. Next, we map the relationships. A customer can own multiple accounts. One person may have several bank accounts. Each account records multiple transactions, capturing all deposits, withdrawals, and payments. By creating this data model, teams can visualize how customers, accounts, and transactions relate, reducing misunderstandings. It clearly defines system requirements, so developers know exactly what data to capture. And it supports validation with stakeholders, ensuring everyone agrees on how the data is structured before implementation. This approach turns abstract banking data into a clear, structured model, making it easier to design, build, and maintain the system. Some pro tips. Stick to business language, not technical jargon. Ensure attributes are meaningful and relevant. Validate early to catch misunderstandings before they become costly. Data modeling aligns teams, reduces rework, and improves solution quality by clearly defining data relationships. Next, we'll explore data flow diagrams to see how data moves through processes. See you then.